Hi everyone, welcome to Teju's Healthy Eats. What if you could enjoy a guilt-free cake-like breakfast that's warm, satisfying, and keeps you fueled for hours? In our home, baked oats are a regular breakfast routine, something which we reach for when we want that cozy dessert for breakfast feeling but still want to stay healthy. They are so easy and versatile that I often prep a few ramekins ahead for the week with different toppings and mix-ins. They stay fresh in the fridge for up to 5 days, and in the mornings, all you have to do is warm one up, a new flavor every day. Today, I'm sharing 3 high protein, macro friendly versions, one with egg, one without, and one completely vegan, so there's something for everyone. As I line up everything we'll need for our baked oats, let's talk about what most of us usually reach for in the mornings. When we crave something sweet and comforting for breakfast, especially after long work nights or on chilly mornings, the first things that comes to mind are cereals, smoothies, muffins, or those warm cinnamon rolls from the store. But even when they are labeled healthy, most of them are packed with sugar and don't really give your body the nutrition it deserves, especially for the first meal of the day. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches that temperature, let it sit for another 10 minutes so it heats evenly. This ensures a perfect fluffy bake every time. While the oven's heating, let's get everything ready. We'll start with the wet ingredients in each ramekin. For the blueberry coconut, I'm adding 1 egg, some non-fat Greek yogurt, and a dash of vanilla. This makes the base rich, creamy, and slightly tangy. For the cranberry orange, I'm using a splash of almond milk, silken tofu, and vanilla. This version is completely vegan yet still silky and satisfying. And for the cookie dough, I'm combining non-fat skyr yogurt, a little applesauce, and vanilla. It gives that soft, dessert-like texture without any added sugar. Whisk each mixture gently until smooth and creamy before adding in the dry ingredients. If you're enjoying these cozy, high-protein breakfast ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. Now add the dry ingredients slowly. Baking powder, a pinch of salt, monk fruit sugar, sweeten as per your choice, protein powder, and your oat flour. Don't dump everything in at once. Fold it in gently. You don't have to worry about overmixing. Oats naturally soak up the liquid as they bake and create that soft cake-like texture. Time to personalize them. For the first one, blueberry coconut, I'm adding shredded coconut and some fresh blueberries. The second flavor, Cranberry Orange, gets a pop of orange zest and juicy or dried cranberries. The extra oats flour here helps with the binding and gives a perfect texture. And lastly, cookie dough. I am adding in dark chocolate chips and some raw cacao nibs. That makes it taste creamy, indulgent, and taste just like dessert. Fold in your toppings, then smooth the surface of each ramekin. Arrange all the 3 ramekins on a baking tray and pour just under a 1/4 inch of water around them. This simple step keeps the sides from over-baking or burning. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 28 minutes until the tops are lightly golden and the centers are set. And here they are, perfectly golden, soft in the center and smelling just like cake. Each one has a unique flavor and macro balance. Blueberry coconut, 353 calories, 36 grams of protein, 26 grams of net carbs, and 10 grams of fat, high protein and incredibly satisfying. Cranberry orange, 289 calories, 23 grams of protein, 28 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of fat, light, tangy, and perfectly balanced. And lastly, cookie dough, 288 calories, 29 grams of protein, 26 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat, rich and dessert-like but still macro-friendly. Now for my favorite part, the toppings. For the blueberry coconut, I'm adding a few chopped pistachios and finishing it off with a light drizzle of pure maple syrup. It gives that beautiful glaze and a little extra warmth. For the cranberry orange, I'm topping it with a few more dried cranberries and just a hint of honey. The sweetness pairs so well with that citrusy flavor. And for the cookie dough, a sprinkle of raw cacao nibs, a drizzle of clean dark chocolate syrup, and a touch of monk fruit sugar on the top. It looks indulgent but still stays macro-balanced and guilt-free. What I love most about these baked oats is how versatile they are. You can literally play around with any toppings or mix-ins you have at home. Nuts, dried fruit, seeds, or even a drizzle of nut butter. Just keep in mind your macros and portion sizes and you've got endless ways to make each one unique. Give these a try and let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you've enjoyed it. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. You can enjoy cake for breakfast, guilt-free, and start your day feeling your best.